Hello everyone, today we will play puzzles with more trolls. DJsuki, Guydiamond, Poppy&Branch, and all other trolls. Let's get started. Who is the first troll in this puzzle? Who has brown hair? It's DJsuki. Suki looks pretty cool. She's playing music. Let's see who are the trolls in our second puzzle. It's Poppy and Branch. They're dancing. Branch has a smiling face. In our third puzzle here, we have a group of trolls. Exciting to see so many trolls. Look, we have got so many trolls here. Smudge, fuzzbert, Poppy&Branch, Vicky, Guydiamond, Koopa. Do you know what are they doing? I think they are singing. In this puzzle, we have got a quite strange looking troll. Can you see all these blue dots on her face? It's Princess Poppy. Oh, poor Poppy, she's sick. Guess what? In this puzzle, we have no trolls, but we have a very sweet bergen. It's the sweetest bergen, Bridget. She is eating pizza. In our last puzzle today, we have 7 trolls in it. It's wonderful to see all these happy trolls. Guydiamond, Smudge, Vicky, Koopa, Suki, Satin&Chenille. Thanks for watching. I wish you enjoy the fun puzzles with the trolls. Don't forget, subscribe my channel or visit my channel for more fun trolls puzzles with commentary. See you soon.